Hey guys, welcome back to the Jack Homestead. My name's Chris. Man, today's going to be a wash out pretty much the whole week. um, yeah, today we're doing some inside work. Last night I primed our cupboards behind me. I'll take you down in the garage when I go down there to finish priming the ones that are down there, and I got two more over here to put up. Well, I want to show you. Oops. We put chicken wire in on the cupboards here, and so you can. Mrs. Jack wanted that. I hope that works out. You guys can see that. So yeah, so that's what the plan is, to do that today, and yeah, maybe a little Xbox or something. I tell you, it's chilly, and I thought I would get away from not buying any pellets, but Mrs. Jack's down in Philly with her sister, who was in the hospital. She broke her arm, and she got pretty messed up there when she tripped and fell, and so she's down there helping them out for the last couple of days. She'll be on her way home tonight, but she's doing good. Her sister's doing good. She's still in pain, which is to be expected. Yeah. Today's just gonna be another boring video of me doing my stuff. So I hope you stick around and check it out. So no maple syrup stuff. Maple season's over. It's garden season started. We got our starts in the back room there under some lights. Ooh, I gotta go turn them on. And Miss Jack's got to do some up potting. So yeah, so stick around with us. Don't mind the mess. Like I said, we're renovating the kitchen cupboards with paint and chicken wire. So stick around. Almost done with the kitchen cupboards painting and putting on the chicken wire Mrs. Jack wanted. So my wife Donna, Mrs. Jack, is up in the house doing some things up there. Today we're gonna put on chicken wire on our cupboard doors. Mrs. Jack wanted me to do that, so we're doing that, finishing that up. So wonderful day today. 36 degrees out. April, I'm not sure if it's the 5th or the 6th. But anyway, it's just a beautiful day. Snowing and raining. I'm on my off week at work, and we're doing stuff. So how's everybody else's week going? I hope it's going pretty good. Oop. Out of bullets. So we got, I know I probably told you this before, but Mrs. Jack wanted to see if one of our broody hens would lay on some eggs. Well, we put 10 eggs in there with her in the what we call the hospital coop. Come on, get over here. And well, she mothered 5 chicks, and We have a friend of ours that's coming up today to pick them up. Oh my God. Joy, joy, guys. we go, guys. All set and finished. Chicken wire on there. I'll show you over here. Stapled on there. Don't mind the mess. But that's it, guys. We got that done. Next is the bottom cupboards. Mrs. Jack's got plans for them too. So I'll try to find a picture of the kitchen before this and then after the top part anyway. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. And for those who are our subscribers, I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to hearing from you guys on comments or anything like that. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Have a good night.